Today we are here with the Sol Nova Unlimited machine, and I'm going to show you how I wrap it. The back comes off here, and you pop in one of your two batteries, the nipple side in, flat side on the back, and you close this up. Then what I do is I unscrew the top piece here. I have a long clipcord sleeve, and I will take and just place the clipcord sleeve over the machine, and then I'll kind of bunch it up around here and just get enough on the top here so when you screw this back on, it holds it into place, but it doesn't go over the top there where your cartridge goes in. So then I screw this on. And then you can cut this to whatever length you need. You really don't need a lot of length on the end, so I will cut it just like that. Leave a little bit of overlap. I will actually leave this open at the back just in case I had to open this up and change the battery mid-session. But I've tattooed with this machine for 8-10 hour sessions some days, and I've never had to change the battery. So after I put the wrap on it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some of this non-adherent wrap around the outside of it to wrap the top portion. So I take off about that much. It's not an exact science. And then what I like to do is fold this in half. What I'm doing is I'm just going down here and just kind of generally folding this in half on itself. So it'll hold together like that. And what I'll do is I will wrap this around the top. So I'm gonna put actually two sections of this on. I'm gonna put a section on the top here, and I'm gonna do a second section down here. It's important to do two sections because you have this break in the machine here, and you twist this portion to adjust the throw on your machine. So you want to make sure that you don't just wrap the whole thing up, or else you won't be able to adjust your machine. So, and then what I'm doing is I'm coming really close here to the top, and I'm covering as much of this exposed portion at the top. And once I have that kind of wrapped up, I will continue wrapping this around here. So this helps to protect the machine, but it also helps to make the grip larger so that it's more comfortable to hold. So there's the top piece, and I'm just gonna rip off one more piece for the bottom. So I have my second strip there. Everybody's gonna use different size strip, just kind of depending on your preferences. I like to have a nice size grip, especially tattooing for hours at a time. It really helps to keep it comfortable in your hand. So I'll wrap this up around here. And then the non-adherent wrap just sticks to itself. Boom. And then when you're tattooing, you're able to hold this piece here. You can turn this to adjust the length of your throw. And then also, you still have access to the power button on the back here. You can see it here, but you'll operate it through the barrier film. So you don't want to wrap it the whole way down, or else you're not going to be able to turn your machine on. And then also have that split there so that you can adjust the machine.